Here's a clear exam-ready drug monograph for Zuclopenthixol, laid out exactly in the order you asked. I'll keep it concise but complete, with clinical pearls where they matter. Number 1, generic name, drug class, brand name drug forms. Generic name, Zuclopenthixol. Drug class, typical first-generation antipsychotic, thioxanthine derivative. Brand names, Clopixol, Clopixol Accuphase, Clopixol Depot. Dosage forms, oral tablets, short-acting IM injection, Zuclopenthixol acetate. Long-acting IM depot injection, Zuclopenthixol decanoate. Number 2, definition. Zuclopenthixol is a typical antipsychotic medication used primarily for the treatment of schizophrenia and other psychotic disorders, especially when agitation, aggression, or severe behavioral disturbance is present. Mechanism of action. Blocks dopamine D2 receptors in the mesolimbic pathway, reduces positive psychotic symptoms. Also blocks alpha-adrenergic receptors, sedation, hypotension, histamine HN receptors, sedation, muscarinic receptors, mild, anticholinergic effects. Key point. Strong dopamine blockade equals higher risk of extrapyramidal symptoms, EPS. Number 4, pharmacokinetics, absorption, oral, well-absorbed, IM, rapid acetate, slow and sustained, decanoate, distribution, highly protein-bound, crosses BBB, metabolism hepatic, CR50 enzymes, elimination, mainly feces, some urine. Half-life, oral, butter 20 hours, depot, decanoate, several weeks. NAV-5 uses acute psychosis, mania with psychotic features, severe agitation and aggression, maintenance therapy in chronic psychotic disorders. 6. Indications, acute exacerbation of schizophrenia, chronic schizophrenia, maintenance, psychosis with aggressive or violent behavior, patients with poor medication compliance, depot form. Number 7. Contraindications, hypersensitivity to Zuclopenthixol or thioxanthines, coma or severe CNS depression, acute alcohol or drug intoxication, Parkinson's disease, severe cardiovascular disease, bone marrow suppression. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use caution in patients with elderly patients, mortality risk in dementia psychosis, history of seizures, liver impairment, cardiovascular disease, diabetes mellitus, prostate enlargement or glaucoma, history of neuroleptic malignant syndrome, NMS. 9. How to use. Take exactly as prescribed. Oral tablets, usually taken with or after food. IM injection, administered by healthcare professionals only. Depot injection, deep IM gluteal muscle, not IV. Number 10. Dosing information typical. Oral. Initial 10 to 20 milligrams a day, maintenance 20-50 milligrams per day, max 150 milligrams per day, varies by guideline. IM acetate short-acting, 50 to 150 milligrams IM every 2 to 3 days, acute agitation. IM decanoate depot, 200 to 400 milligrams IM every 2 to 4 weeks. Dose adjustments required in elderly and liver disease. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if close to next dose. Do not double dose. Overdose symptoms, severe sedation, EPS, hypotension, seizures, cardiac arrhythmias, coma. Management, supportive care, airway protection, symptomatic treatment. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. Do not stop abruptly, risk of relapse. Avoid alcohol. Avoid other CNS depressants unless approved. Avoid driving or operating machinery initially. Number 13, side effects common. Sedation, dry mouth, constipation, weight gain, dizziness. Extrapyramidal symptoms, EPS, Parkinsonism, akathisia, dystonia, tardive dyskinesia long-term. Serious, neuroleptic malignant syndrome, NMS, QT prolongation, orthostatic hypotension, hyperprolactinemia. 14. Vital information, black box warnings, increased risk of death in elderly patients with dementia-related psychosis, risk of tardive dyskinesia with long-term use, monitor, mental status, EPS, blood pressure, weight and glucose. Number 15. Other drugs will affect Zuclopenthixol, increased side effects, alcohol, benzodiazepines, opioids. Drug interactions, antihypertensives, hypotension, anticholinergics, anticholinergic effects, levodopa, reduced effect, QT prolonging drugs, arrhythmia risk. Number 16, drug comparison, Zuclopenthixol versus haloperidol, more sedative than haloperidol, similar EPS risk, better for aggressive patients. Zuclopenthixol versus a typical antipsychotics, higher EPS risk, less metabolic syndrome, lower cost. Depot option improves compliance. 17. Patient teaching. Take medicine regularly, even if feeling better. Report muscle stiffness, fever, tremors, abnormal movements, rise slowly to prevent dizziness, avoid alcohol, keep follow-up appointments. Depot injections must be given on schedule. Here are high-yield nursing considerations. NCLEX OSE points for Zuclopenthixol, crisp and exam-focused. Nursing considerations, NCLEX OSE points. Assessment. Assess mental status and severity of psychosis before and during treatment. Monitor for extrapyramidal symptoms, EPA scales, e.g. AIMS. Check vital signs, especially blood pressure, orthostatic hypotension. Monitor weight, blood glucose, and hydration status. Assess for history of seizures, Parkinson's disease, liver disease. Administration. Oral, give with food to reduce GI upset. IM injection. Deep IM only, gluteal muscle, never IV. Depot form, ensure correct interval every 2 to 4 weeks. Safety, implement fall precautions due to sedation and hypotension. Avoid combining with alcohol or CNS depressants. Use caution in elderly patients, mortality and dementia psychosis. Protect patient from overheating, anticholinergic effects, sweating. Adverse effects to watch for, OSE favorite. EPS, rigidity, tremor, akathisia, dystonia, tardive dyskinesia, lip smacking, tongue movements. Neuroleptic malignant syndrome, emergency, high fever, muscle rigidity, altered consciousness, autonomic instability. Stop drug and notify physician immediately. Patient education, reinforced by nurse. Medication must be taken regularly. Symptoms improve before disease, continue treatment. Rise slowly from sitting or lying position. Report abnormal movements or fever immediately. Keep injection appointments. NCLEX quick pearls. Typical antipsychotic equals high EPS risk. Dopamine blockade explains both benefits and side effects. Depot injection equals improves compliance. NMS life-threatening, stop drug. Thank you. Have a nice day.